to Smart Depot.
Okay, so welcome again to Smart Depot, and today we are back with unboxing with Pearl. So Pearl, what are we going to unbox?
A standing fan.
A standing fan. Of course, we took out the ceiling fan here. The heat in Port Harcourt is so much. We're going to be running the AC and the standing fan in the meanwhile because the ceiling fan is really not serving. So let's go straight and unbox standing fan. Yeah, you can. Try as much as you can to
I can hear it really good.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
Are we opening the box?
Of course, we're going to open the box. So that's Daddy's knife. So you can cut it like this.
Daddy, try not to use it and do it and enjoy yourself. Try not to use it and enjoy yourself.
Okay, I'm trying not to injure myself.
So let's open the box.
Hold on, let me cut it open. So good, start bringing out stuff from the box.
Whoa! Oh.
Whoa, this looks like the stand.
This is the stand.
Whoa, this is like the blade. Whoa.
Whoa!
Let's bring it out and keep on top of the cat. That is quite heavy.
Wow! Wow! So I can take this side.
Okay, let's see. Is there anything?
No.
There's no other thing. So,
Daddy, what about the bottom?
don't worry. The bottom are all there. So let's remove the carton. And this is the standing fan.
See, this is the standing fan front.
So this is the brand name.
How are we supposed to fix it?
Okay, that would be your work.
Is it me to fix all the things?
Yeah. Can you do it?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? At least can you try?
Yes, I can. The much I can.
Okay, you can try the much you can.
Okay.
Okay, so you can put that one
Yeah,
out.
fresh.
Yeah, so let's see. This is the standing up.
And that is standing up.
Like this.
Daddy, this is standing up.
Yeah, see, this is the standing.
Whoa! You can turn log.
Okay, so this is the log, and then this
Whoa!
is the leg. This is the engine.
Whoa!
That's the blade.
It's turning.
So,
It's a Shakiri.
you see? So we're going to get this.
Daddy, I'm sure she put this one inside.
No, this is just the stand. So there are screws for the stand. We're not seeing the screws, so we're going to use the. Yeah, open this up.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a plate for the
Yeah.
screws.
So let's see whether this one goes to here. See? It goes in.
Then
So now we have the stand.
Daddy, what about the blade? We have not put it in the front.
Yeah, don't worry. Let's keep this one. And
What else?
let's bring out the engine.
The engine.
Meanwhile, we need to keep this.
Is
This
this
is
the
the
engine?
blade.
Daddy, let's open it and see. There's another one I see inside.
Come on, don't open it.
I can try to yeah.
That is knife. Oh, don't bite with your teeth. That is knife. Tear it way open quickly and faster. So this is the engine.
Yeah, it was inside here. Wow. Vroom. This is another screw. You need to tighten it.
Okay, so this is where the blade will go in. This is the engine. So what we're going to do is that we're going to loosen this. Hold on.
I'm sorry, you almost cut off your beard.
Okay, so we're going to lose this out. So this is the blade cover. Hold on. I'm going to bring this one down. Then we're going to bring
I'm going to put
this. This is, hold on. We're coming to that. So this place have to go up. See this arrow? This arrow is suggesting where it should go. Are you seeing it now?
Yes, Daddy.
So go again. You see there is one here, there is one here, and it's all showing you that you need to point it up or down. See it now? Hold on. We're not done yet.
This.
Then we're going to put this into it. Hold on.
I need to tighten it.
Is there a manual?
No.
Of course, there's a manual on how to fit it in.
Okay.
You see?
I
It's always good to read the manual.
That's the manual. This is the instruction.
Ah, yes. Manual is full with instruction.
Yes, to help you to fix it.
Yeah.
Okay. You tighten it like this.
Okay, so let's put this one to come to.
Let me see the instructions.
Keep reading the instruction. Straight now, so we want to make sure.
Now can we put the blade? Please, so sharp. Sharp like shark. So like knife used to be say sharp. I see it was alive and be say sharp. You see it never.
We got it.
Now put in the blade.
So you have to make sure that the blade aligns this way. You see these two lines? The blade have to align this way. Hold on.
You just need to turn it.
Good.
Me too.
Now you're going to use this one and tie it on top of it. On top of the blade. No, you're going to go anti-clockwise. See this arrow?
Where?
This arrow on top of it. Okay, so when you put it, hold on. When you put it,
Wait, let me see the arrow.
Okay, are you seeing this arrow?
Okay, I see it.
At the center.
Like I see it.
Yeah, now start tightening it. No, not that way. The other way around. Anti-clockwise. Good.
Okay.
Easy. It's kind of sharp.
Like that used to be say sharp.
Yeah.
That would just say sharp.
The next one is the cover. So this is where we're going to use all those tiny little screws. You see?
But the tiny places.
Including that one that you threw on the ground. So let's come this way.
Wow.
And see?
We need the screws. Like that, where should I put it in?
There are holes around here. Don't shake it too much. There are holes. Look around, there's one here.
Oh.
So there are holes around there. You can tight it in.
Oh, like it starts shaking it.
Oh, hold on, let me go in a bit so that it will be strong. Good. Now, try tightening.
Okay. Thank you. Is that really
You're using the wrong screw. Give me this one. Take this one. This is the star screwdriver, so it's a star screw. But I can actually use the flat here to do it because, yeah, that you can fix anything. Now, don't shake it too much. This is kind of fragile. This particular one doesn't make noise. All that, you know. This fan doesn't really make noise. So, Belle, are you good? Are you good?
That's it. Oh, that I wanted to use hammer and bang this thing in.
You want to use hammer? Oh, come on.
This is sweet. Stupid.
Okay, good. Let's see whether we still have another screw to fill. Okay, so it's complete. This is the last one. So let me quickly screw it up. Hold this fan. So we're going to take out this staple.
Okay.
We're going to take out this staple.
So this button is so big.
It's so big and heavy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Now to put
let's
the standard.
Yes.
Oh, ouchie though. Ouch. I did not break my hand.
Okay, good. So let's see.
No. That place.
There seems to be a lock. Let's see. Can you go in here?
It's an enter. Let's turn it.
Okay, so now we're going to screw out the screws.
That I want to do too.
This one is too hard. This one is too hard. So what we're going to need to do is to bring this one out so that these two can go in. So hold on, let's bring this thing out and lose it.
This can break. I can't break it. Can't break something.
Okay, so now we're going to put it in. Then you're going to try to screw here.
This thing.
Yeah. So that is the hook that will hold it. I'll take the screwdriver and try and screw it. Good. You are learning how to screw. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Keep turning. Try the other one below. When it gets too hard, Daddy can pick up from you.
I can do it.
Oh, good. That's what we want. Good. You see? You're screwing it in. And first of all, let's try whether our fan will blow. Whoa, Vivian, stop. Our fan is blowing.
Oh, so I did breathe.
Okay, that's the first gear. Now let's go for the second gear.
Daddy, and I need turning it.
It turns by itself. So now, let me lock the head.
To load the engine.
Okay, well, come and sit down. We're done. And our fan is up.
It's not on.
Yeah, because I've not on it. So that's it. Fan is on. Doesn't it feel good, right?
Yes. But it's still making some small noise. And not so loud. Loud like elephants.
Wow. So this is beautiful, right?
Yeah.
So okay, now let's talk to the people who are watching the video.
Hope you enjoyed our unboxing.
We'll look at the camera and say,
Hope you enjoy our unboxing. Subscribe.
okay, so you
And
have
peace.
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 Okay, let's again say. So make sure you subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Sit down and say it now. Say
Sit. Subscribe. And peace.
So that's it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see Pearl next time, and peace.
Can this TV just to 3, 2, 1, 0.
Subscribe. I see.
Let it go.